My head is cut off. Hi guys, welcome to Beautiful Jungle. I am Sharon. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. It's Saturday, January 6th, so I'm going to do a garden tour, and I'm also going to do a harvest. For the cauliflower and some of those little broccoli heads, I am going to harvest. So, and I'm going to show you an update on the garlic. They look awesome, and the onions as well. Yeah. So I have my basket, and I'm going to harvest cauliflower. That's right here. Woo. I sharpened up my knife. I'm just taking off the leaves that have a little burn on them, but the other leaves that are good, I am going to cook it because my girlfriend Camille said. So I was just taking off some of the, I just took over some of the bottom leaves that were no good. So this is the cauliflower. Let's get it, because I am going to keep these leaves and cook them, because did not know you could do that until I started growing my own stuff. And a friend of mine, Camille, said that you can cook those leaves, and I am going to be cooking these leaves. So this is the cauliflower. It has like a little, this is the self-blanching cauliflower. It's a nice head. So we are keeping those leaves. I sharpened this knife. See how good that was? It's like a cutlass. I had broken the leaves off and put them over it. If you guys have seen that that video I did, the short I did, when I was showing you the little peak, that was on, I think that was the 23rd, December 23rd. December 23rd. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. This one got funky. Took too long to harvest it, and it got funky. I don't think I can. And it's a smaller head, and it is a smaller head too. So it got a little funky. I'm gonna take this broccoli off. It's a little broccoli, but leave your broccoli plants in because you will get side shoots. Black bags that you see here, I have 5 of them. They're from they actually have leaves inside of them from the front yard. Just checking to make sure my water container is collecting its water. So these are turnips. Let's go ahead and harvest them. I don't have any of my snips with me. They're not that big. This is a pretty decent size. I'm just going to take the dirt off of it and try to get a good amount. I want to do, what is that thing called? Home fries. I want to do home fries with them. Low carb home fries. So I'm definitely going to plant some more. So that's about it for this. Oh, I pulled up let's go. Let's get it. It's a little baby. That's alright. Definitely planting more. See, I actually planted turnips in New York when I lived in New York. And they came out so big. I just put the seed in the ground, and that was it. And they came up so big. For some reason, I cannot recreate that out here. So here go our turnips. Turnip harvest. We're over here by the cabbage. I am gonna harvest some cabbage. I can find some nice. Like, can you see me? Yeah. This one right here. Ooh, it's ready. I'm feeling it. Let's see. Yeah, it's ready. I'm gonna do some cabbage and um, ground beef and sausage. I always add the sausage in. Some nice low carb meals. So I'm gonna come out here and oh, the cauliflower went again. This one went also. So I said I wasn't going to plant any cauliflower and broccoli. I left it too long. Listen, I've been working. Um, so some things will get neglected. But I am going to take the leaves, the good leaves, and we're going to cook those. You see how big these leaves are? Yeah, I'm not leaving that. Even the small ones, I'm not leaving it. And I'll compost this. These bottom leaves can go. And we'll cook it up. We will cook that up. Oh, look at all that water coming out of there. It's good. It's good. See? It's good. Some spinach. And I'm just pulling the bottom leaves. And that give it a chance to grow some more. And now I'm going to harvest some of this pak choi. See, because it's starting to flower. So it's that time. And I'm just chopping it with this at the root, at the stem. Nice big ones. And keeping the root in there. Like all of these. But it's getting dark. And I want to get this pour over with. So I want it before it gets too dark. So more than likely I will be out here tomorrow harvesting some more bok choy and some cabbage leaves also. And then I'm going to fertilize them. Anywho, let me get this done. Hi guys, it got really dark and I was also doing a 2-for-1. I was doing a garden tour. That video has already been up. If you haven't seen it, please go. I will put the link to that video on this video. But this is the harvest with the cauliflower and the pak choi and the spinach that I harvest. So I have it soaking in the sink with cold water and baking soda to get any kind of bugs or slug, because I did bring a slug in the house. It was attached to the cabbage on the bottom. Ooh, no more for you to be eating. So I was just showing that the leaves that I missed outside that was yellow. So I'm just going to put that back into the um, compost. So the cauliflower leaf, I wash them baking soda and all the vegetable baking soda, cold water, rinse them off again with just plain cold water. Cut the cauliflower leaves just like you would do like you would do collard greens. Put them in my salad spinner, spinned it out, dry them, and then you're gonna see the bags I used to store them. I did the same thing with the turnips also. And I cut the cauliflower leaves just like I would cut collard greens. And you can cook it with, ham hocks or turkey necks, whichever one, smoked turkey necks, whatever you want to make it into. I didn't put it in my food saver because I that's good. It's a small amount, and if you cook cauliflower before, not cauliflower, collard greens before, it goes down to nothing. So I just put it in one of those reusable freezer bags, storage bags that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'm gonna make that for Sunday meal. And I did the same thing with the cauliflower. I cut it up the way I wanted it because I want to do a low carb Philly cheesesteak with the cauliflower. So while I was doing my prep, I prepped them exactly how I wanted them to be cut, all the vegetables. I bought myself flowers. I bought myself flowers because listen, it's summer, it's winter time, and I love having flowers. And I love seeing different colors. As you can tell, I had a lot of flowers growing. Some I didn't want to grow. Some I was okay with growing. But I like having, look how pretty that is. Picked it up from Publix. Look how pretty. And all the different colors. I mean, it's giving me the energy for what's to come. Oh, my shirt is soaking wet. It's wet. It's giving me, what's to come in the spring. It's giving me springtime. Giving me, what is it called? Spring fever? Yeah. Sorry. I forgot to end the video like I forgot to end the harvest video. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. If you have not liked, hit the like button, please do. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye bye.